What up, Prestige family? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and here is a quick tutorial on how to remove the door panel on this 2018 Lexus LS500. So the first thing you gotta do, as usual, remove the cover that goes here, which is this one. There is a Phillips screw there. Then on the bottom, below the switch, the window switch, there is one cover there, which it look like this, and another cover right there, which is this one right here. There is a two Phillips screws there, and then the usual on any door panel, you just gotta pop the door panel from the plastic clips, and on this area here, just pop it out, and that's it. 3 screws, one there, and another one right there. Pop all the clips out, just push it out this way, and it's ready to go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.